Hey everyone, I'm going to ask you a question and be honest with yourselves. How many of you are saving money, but that money is just sitting in your account doing nothing? How many of you keep saying, I really need to start investing, but don't know where to begin? And how many of you are so afraid of making a wrong move that you don't make any move at all? If you answered, that's me, to any of these questions, this video is exactly for you. Over the past 25 years, I've learned that the biggest reason people fail at investing isn't a lack of information. The real reason is not knowing the basic principles. Today, I'm going to share that foundation with you. 3 principles: simple, clear, and life-changing. Principle 1. Time is more valuable than money. Friends, the first principle is this: rest assured, starting early is more effective than starting big. Let me give you a concrete example. Someone who invests $100 a month at age 25 could retire wealthier than someone who invests $500 a month at age 45. This is called compound interest, and Einstein called it the 8th wonder of the world. I completely agree. Time is the cheapest raw material in investing, and unfortunately, once you've spent it, you can never get it back. If you're in your 20s or 30s right now, you have the most valuable thing the market can offer you: time. Never waste it. Principle 2. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. The second principle, my friends, diversification, is your life insurance. Putting everything into a single company, a single sector, or a single asset, that's not investing. That's gambling. Over the past 25 years, I've watched great companies collapse. I've seen sectors that seemed unshakable crumble overnight. So what's the solution? Simple: spread it out. Stocks, bonds, gold, real estate, different regions. When you think of a basket, the wind doesn't knock all the fruit down at once. That is exactly what diversification is. It's the safety net that ensures you don't lose everything when your portfolio takes a hit. Principle 3. Make your decisions based on strategy, not emotions. The third, and perhaps most important principle, my friends: never sell out of panic, never buy out of excitement. When the market drops, everyone sells. When the market rises, everyone buys. That's why most people sell at low prices and buy at high prices, doing the exact opposite of what they should. The greatest enemy of investing isn't ignorance, it's emotion. I made that mistake too. 25 years ago, I reacted to a headline and closed my position in a hurry, and a week later, I was furious with myself. That day, I learned this: the market doesn't reward the smartest person in the room. It rewards the person who can control themselves. Set a strategy. Stick to your plan. In a moment of panic, take a breath and look at your data, not your emotions. Friends, let's summarize. 1. Start early. Time is your greatest asset. 2. Diversify. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. 3. Make decisions based on your strategy, not your emotions. I know these 3 principles sound simple, but trust me, over the past 25 years, I've rarely seen anyone apply all 3 at the same time. Those who do, they're in a completely different place 10 years later. If you want to be in that position too, hit the like button, subscribe, and send this video to someone who needs to watch it. There might be someone in your life who needs this at exactly the right moment. See you in the next video. Take care.